This is an arcade and I'm inside. I'm about to go inside to see what they have. Wow, look fancy. It looks like they have snacks, table for people to eat. Oh, that's a car. Oh, look how cool it is. It's like I saw a racing car. Oh, nobody ride, only one person ride only. Oh, over there, you guys see it? There you go, he coming. Hello. Anyway, I'm looking for my friend and I can't find him. After eat, I don't know where everybody go. This is where children, they don't go play casino. They could come in here for children. Oh, there's a schedule right there for the racing car. Maybe they just built this not so long ago. Pool and then bar over there, people can drink. Oh, what is this? I cannot find my friend.
Play first. Whatever it wins.
Yeah, back in the same spot.
Oh, they have that too. What is that?
Don't put the white ball in.
Oh, you can drop over there. Bowling for people to bowl.
I haven't figured that part out yet and looked, but I'm trying to do like one game.
Just like, you can't hit the ball, that's the drill. Hate to see you right around.
Wow, they have a lot of games in here. This is the casino. They have hotel, they have games, they have casino, they have restaurant, and they have all you can eat buffets. Let me call my friend one more time. 'Cause, I want to go home. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alonso Serrano Mentucha, 957241.
This is the schedule, and this is the casino. Casino to go eat and to go play.
My next winner,
They call people names so they could give them money.
Xiaohong Yi.
This is where the line at check-in. Make sure you do a reservation, if otherwise you won't get in. Right here, reservations. Non-reservation, you don't get in. Where is my friend? This is inside the casino, and the restaurant is this. So hello, Lamisa, are you cooking lobster? Hello, Lamisa. You stand like there, you pay over here, and you come in here, and then you go see the dessert. This is a buffet in West Park Casino. This is all the dessert. This is where they cook for you if you want. They have stove and pot and pan and cook for you. Right there. This is hot food, ice cream, and topping, ice cream topping. Over here is American food. Let's go to see what kind of American food they have. Oh, they have clam chowder, corn, potato, crab is perfect boil, pizza, yummy pizza. Oh my goodness, look at that new T-bone steak, so big. They have calamari, French fry, fried catfish, butterfly shrimp. Butterfly shrimp, look like a butterfly. T-bone so big. Coming back here, where's the dessert over there? Oh, you got bread. Lots of bread. Ooh, look at this. Roasted black red pepper butter. Like this. But I like this one better. I think that. And then over here they have the Spanish. I'm not sure Spanish or Mexican, but taco and the ball. Wow, how pretty that is. This is Koto pork. Koto pork, tortilla chips, taco shell, seafood halal, chicken bento, bento beans, burrito, beef, wow, something taco meat, green beans. And over here, the American food with the cheese, mac and cheese, barbecue pork rib, fried chicken. Ooh, this is the restaurant name, Koto. Oh, look at that. They have turkeys, sweet potatoes, smoked sausage, crab ribs. Oh, look at that, so delicious. Over here they have mashed potatoes, green, collard greens, spicy shrimp, and brownie. Check out the lobster. Wow, look at the lobster. Oh, you can get lobster for $59. Look at that. Steamed crab. Steamed crab. Wow. Wow, yummy. They leave it salty, but it's okay. Just don't put butter. Behind the crab, you have salad. Wow, really healthy. And this one is this. Coming up, we have the Asian. Let's see what kind of Asian foods they have. Oh, this stuff. Oh, they have sushi. Let me give you the bag. And they have egg
Lot of stuff, lot of stuff.
Lots of stuff, lots of delicious stuff. Oh, look at that. So yummy. The soup, they have something, black beans, chicken soup, something soup, I don't know how to call. Shrimp and pork stew my. And then they have rice. My son eats lots of rice. My son loves rice. They give you one lobster at a time only.
Everything's good.
See, everybody only can get one lobster. Right there. This is the life of lobster. Lobster is famous. Over here they have pokey, seafood salad, pokey, and I don't know, lomi ball. Let's see what they have. Good. And pretty. And over here they have fruit, strawberry, mixed dried fruit. And then they have this. Sorry.
You have that at four.
Strawberry covered with
It's too much,
chocolate.
girl. Because I'm like here, but I want my
I don't know
dessert
what
to
it is.
land.
I don't
It's too
know.
much. This is
I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know. I don't know, but they're so colorful
Dessert
and
is my
look
life.
yummy.
I don't know.
They are
how
sweet.
Dessert is my life.
Dessert is my life. That's what they say. Some more dessert right here. Fresh. Okay. And it looks like this. My friend, they gone already. It's really, really big. Big restaurant. They sit all the way over there. Or you can drink soda.
Why is Koto making that face?
I was able to eat 4 lobster. And I was so full after that. I don't know where's my friend. I think they're done. No more. No more for them. They're done. They took off already. This is how the table seating looks like. I don't know where my son goes. Let's see if they're over here on the other side. Oh, look at those desserts. We got you. Okay, I think my friend they're gone. Lots of seating space. Today is Saturday. Oh, this is probably for big family sitting long table. Okay, I go out now because I don't know where's my friend at. I'm so full. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. After you're done eating, you have to go bathroom before you go home. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.